are artichoke, a green flower-like vegetable with a tender heart, often steamed or boiled and served with butter or dips. B. Broccoli, a green vegetable resembling tiny trees, rich in vitamins K and C, often steamed, roasted or stir-fried. C. Carrot, a bright orange, crunchy root vegetable known for its high beta-carotene content, used in salads, soups and juices. D. Daikon, a long white radish popular in Asian cuisine with a mild taste, often used in soups, pickles or grated as a garnish. E. Eggplant, a purple-skinned vegetable with a spongy texture, often roasted, grilled or used in dishes like ratatouille. F. Fennel, a bulbous vegetable with a mild anise flavour, eaten raw in salads or roasted as a side dish. G. Garlic, a pungent bulb used as a seasoning in various cuisines, known for its medicinal properties and strong aroma. H. Horseradish, a root vegetable with a sharp, spicy flavour, often grated and used as a condiment. I. Iceberg lettuce, a crunchy, pale green lettuce commonly used in salads and sandwiches. J. Jujube. Jujube vegetables are not common. Jujube typically refers to a fruit. However, young jujube leaves are sometimes used as greens. K. Kale, a leafy green vegetable packed with nutrients, often used in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes. L. Leek, a long, mild-flavoured vegetable related to onions, often used in soups and stews. M. Mushroom, a fungus commonly used in cooking, with varieties like button, portobello and shiitake. N. Navy beans. Navy beans are small, white legumes rich in protein and fibre. They pair well with carrots, spinach, celery and onions in soups. O. Okra, a green pod-like vegetable with a sticky texture, commonly used in soups and stews like gumbo. P. Pumpkin, a large orange squash often used in pies, soups and roasted dishes, rich in beta-carotene. Q. Quinoa greens, the edible leaves of the quinoa plant, tender and nutrient-rich, often used in salads or sautéed. R. Radish, a crunchy root vegetable with a peppery flavour, available in red, white and black varieties. S. Spinach, a nutrient-dense leafy green used raw in salads or cooked in various dishes. T. Turnip, a round root vegetable with a slightly bitter taste, often mashed, roasted or used in soups. U. Urad bean sprouts, sprouts from the black gram plant, commonly used in Indian cuisine for their crunch and mild flavour. V. Vegetable marrow, a type of squash with a mild flavour, often stuffed and baked. W. Watercress, a peppery flavoured leafy green often used in salads and soups. Y. Yam, a starchy root vegetable often baked, boiled or mashed, similar to sweet potatoes but distinct in flavour. Z. Zucchini, a versatile green summer squash used in stir-fries, baked dishes or spiralised as a pasta alternative.